Hey guys, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can reset your Chase Bank passwords. Follow all the steps and stick till the end to not make mistake in the process. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and there search for chase.com. Once you search for it, you will be directly ended to its homepage. Now from here, you have to tap on sign in button here. Now there, you have to simply tap on forget password link here. And here, you will take into this identification page where you have to type in your social security number or your tax ID number. And then in the next field, you have to type in your account card or application number. And if you want to confirm before moving on, now if you want to confirm your social security number or tax ID, you can tap on the show button to reveal your account card or application number. And once you're done with it, tap on next button. And in the next page, you will ask for your information to verify you as the real owner of the account number you have typed in here. And once you're done with the verification, you will be able to create a new password for a Chase account. Now that's all it takes to reset your Chase bank account password. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.